A lot of you who've been in the field of plant biology have already seen the flask looking like this, and probably something like this as well. Those adorable white cotton candies are glaring into your soul and celebrating their victory on a ship of well-balanced media, with a bottle of very expensive champagne. In the meantime, your reagents are running out, jars begin to stink like hell, and all of a sudden you realize that you're in a brutal war against millions of colonies of merciless fungi. This nasty and obnoxious phenomenon in biology is called contamination. You plan out your experiment, do all the journaling, media preparation, pH adjustment. You even went so far to invest in a decent laminar flow hood for God's sake. And yet, those wicked colonies pop up like vague ads on a pirate movie website. This, my friends, is the Archnemesis of plant biology. You gotta suffer a lot, cry over many and many failed experiments, but after all this suffering, you still believe that there is still light after the tunnel, that you'll get better, find a better protocol, and somehow everything will magically work out.